Hey, it's Annie. Today I thought I would share how I style my second day. Here, I feel like okay. I was a little too high there. I am going to share how I style my second day here. So this is what I do. I don't shampoo and wash my hair every single day just because I would have to use a hair dryer on it plus my flat iron, which I am going to do, but I just feel like just with the hair dryer alone, I just don't like to wash my hair every day. So I usually wash my hair every 3 to 4 days. So what I do in between is what I'm going to show you. I use a flat iron and then I use my curling iron because you can see how my hair is. This is how it is when I wake up. Actually, it's probably like this when I wake up. But so I'm going to show you what I do. So that is what we're going to talk about today. Let's get into it. I'm going to grab, I think both of these will reach from here. First, I'm going to grab my flat iron. So I need a new flat iron, but this is the one we're using today because this is what I got. This one is from Diane, and I got it at the beauty supply store several years ago, but I need a new one. Every once in a while I hear a bzzzt sound, which is probably not a good thing. I don't see any wires that are missing or anything, but yeah, I probably have to get a new one. But so this is what I do. I don't even go and section it out or anything like that, but I just take my brush, I brush it out, and I take my flat iron and I just kind of go through it. I don't close it up all the way. I just kind of run it through like that, really soft, okay? I could go ahead and put a heat element in it, and I may do that on the ends when I curl it. This is the heat. This is the Iron Shape 11 from Redken, but I already have this on after I blow dried my hair the first time, and then I flat ironed it for the first time yesterday after I washed my hair. That's what I already did. So always make sure you use something like that in your hair. I already have it in my hair because I used it, and I don't like to put too much product in my hair. So this is what I do though. And now this is something I will tell you. If you want to get more body in your hair, whether you're curling it, flat iron it, using a round brush to style it, you're going to want to hold it up like this. If you want a straighter look, then you're going to want to just pull it straight down. I want to get a little bit of body. I like a little bit of body in my hair, so I like to hold mine up like this. And that's what I do. So I'll take another section and I'll do the same thing. Just kind of run it through like that. I'll go in the back, even though I can't see what I'm doing here. I'm just going to hold it up a little bit and I just want to smooth it out and bend it, give it a little bit of a bend so it'll lay better for me. And then I'll do the same thing here. See? I'm just taking it and I go right at the root and I go right down. Do the same thing. Just like that. And then just like I kind of look at it and see if I need to do a little bit more. So this is my second day here. When I have my first day here, I'll do sections of it, and sometime I'll show you right after I dry my hair. I will show you since I changed my style a little bit. So that's what I do there. Then I'm gonna go grab my curling iron. So this is from Hot Tools, and what I do is I take this bottom right here, and like I said, sometimes I'll see how it curls. Sometimes I have to use that iron, the shape iron. Sometimes I'll use a little bit of that, but I did use it yesterday, so I don't like to put too much stuff in my hair. And just let it, and I'm kind of opening it and slowly taking it out. And then I just leave it. And I'm gonna do the same thing right back here. And I like this because it's got a little plastic tip on it, on the curling iron, so I could actually put my fingers on there and hold it on the other end. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So I just kind of keep it there for a little bit, and then I slowly open it. So this has a plastic tip on it. I like that. Now before I get to the rest of the back, I'm just going to take this right here and same thing. Just gonna let it sit there for a little bit. And I'm just gonna slowly open it up. Yep, I'm gonna do that one more time. I think I did that too soon. Now I'm gonna slowly, okay. Now I'm gonna get this little section here. Oh, I know I didn't grab all the hair. There we go. And I'll just hold it. Slowly let it out. Now I don't take a brush to my hair, I just use my fingers. So I will take my fingers and I just kind of go like that, zhuzh it up a little bit. If I feel like right here, I feel like I need to curl a little bit better, I'll go back there and get it a little bit better. That's it, that's all I do. And then I just, this is a really, I like this style because it's really easy for me to take care of. It's really easy to style, there's a lot of movement in it. And that's it. That's all I do for second day hair. So that is it. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you so much, and I will see you real soon.